Doc Wilkes House of Horrors is an awesome old school haunt out here in Longview, Texas. This is haunt number 2 of 3 on the Texas Haunters Convention bus tour. They got both haunts open today. They got the flagship Doc Wilkes House of Horrors and then the Ringmaster Madness. That's their clown themed second attraction. We're taking you through both of them with us today. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
He said we're not gonna make it either. Spoiler alert!
Yeah, no.
Oh crap.
Oh
crap.
Let's go towards the center of the room and wait a moment.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Oh. Oh.
Welcome to Ringmaster Madness. You're just in time for the grand finale.
Oh, the grand finale.
We just got here. How's it?
Oh.
That don't sound good.
Oh, good. None of you appear to be monkeys. That is a relief.
That
They're
is a relief.
terrible with directions. And they're even worse with swords.
No.
Let me go! I don't want to be in the show! Silence in the wings! Oh, who is that?
Yeah.
My newest attraction.
Uh-oh.
My dazzling, terrified star.
Oh no.
I'm out here wandering all alone, the poor thing. A bit unwilling, but when you put the makeup on, you never leave. Smile! They adore confidence.
Yeah, that's good. Oh God. Oh God.
But
No. Oh no.
there is something missing.
Oh. Uh-oh.
You!
I'm not
You
missing.
look sturdy. You would be an excellent target for the swords.
That's an.
And you!
That's an overstatement.
Let's put a permanent smile on that face. After all, the fortune teller did promise me that a volunteer would shed blood tonight.
That's not
And
us.
I would hate to make a liar out of a man.
Yeah, I mean,
Now,
I resemble that
it is
remark.
time for your exit.
oh.
So please, scream loudly, walk swiftly, and if you do survive, please give us 5 stars. The ghosts hate it when we get poor ratings.
The ghosts.
Okay, the ghosts. Oh boy.
Make sure we give. Just come with us. Just come with us. Hold on.
Come be
they didn't
our
make it.
next treat. Oh
I
no.
got hit by the ice cream truck. We're going this
Oh
way.
geez.
Hello, lovelies.
Hello?
Come.
Oh god. Yeah.
Don't you just look gorgeous? That stinks. My job here is to get you all the way up.
Before you go all the way down.
What are we filling up?
Hell does that mean?
What do you feel? Upsies?
Upsies, yeah.
Upsies.
Upsies?
Yeah.
Take a nice little lay against my little cushion here. Come on! I have a few instruments here.
Oh hell.
Feeling a little more snip, or, you know.
Snip. I'm gonna leave that up to you.
You know what?
You're not a clown. I can trust you, right?
Nothing can be trusted here.
Oh dang it.
But I do believe
Oh.
it's time to go, whether
Secret
you're ready
doors.
to or not.
Okay. Well, I'm probably
Get the
not ready.
stench off of you.
Oh jeez. I done thought I lost everything. I didn't know what she was gonna do.
Oh, you're finally here. Come on in.
Oh.
I know about you. Where is he?
I don't know.
Where is you? He told me all about you. Come on over here. Get over here. He told
Oh.
Yeah, don't worry about this. We're
Okay.
not worried
We
about
don't.
it. He told me all about you. Like, past, future. But let me tell you what's happening today. You don't see the end of today. Sorry to tell you. But we're gonna have a little fun, okay? Before
Okay.
you dive in, leave.
Okay.
So, you must know who the Batman is, right? Batman.
Yeah,
Where
Batman.
They put the bat
Not the
signal.
Batman, the bad.
Bad.
Oh,
He's
Batman.
like this tall, maybe sometimes this fat. He jumps around.
I haven't seen that one. No.
The Muffin
No,
Man.
No.
The Muffin Man?
Yeah, the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
He came through here.
Oh, he has. See? Everybody knows the Muffin Man.
He didn't make it.
He said we're not gonna make it either. Spoiler alert.
Yeah, no, I didn't know. I
That's-
said, y'all are gonna have fun, okay?
Oh,
But
Oh,
Batman loves playing games.
Batman.
Oh, he does.
Bad.
Bad.
Oh, bad.
Why do you keep getting Batman from Batman?
It sounds like you're saying Batman.
I think it's
That's
getting
what
That
mad.
thing just moved on the wall by
Oh.
itself.
Games he plays is sick and twisted.
Oh.
I hate playing. I almost lost my finger playing blackjack.
Okay, well just don't touch that Ouija board, okay?
That's terrible.
You quit touching it.
He's touching it.
Y'all play a game with me?
Sure.
Alright! You get to choose between 2 games. The one of
Skull.
live or die.
Skull in the basket.
Alright! So that's my friend Henry. Say hi, Henry!
Hi, Henry.
Hi, Henry.
Yeah! Okay, you're standing over here. Right
Oh,
here.
stand.
That's cheating.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it
I
is.
promise it's
Okay.
not.
Oh.
Okay, so if you miss, that's on you.
Here we go.
Huh.
Oh! Looks like you got bad luck.
Bad luck.
Oh, I don't
no.
like
Don't
this.
be scared.
I don't like
He's
it.
waiting for you.
I don't like this.
Who's waiting?
I don't know. The bad
Is it
man,
Henry?
Tyler.
Don't forget to say cheese.
Oh, we're way up there. We're
Wow.
up high.
What is this? What is this?
What is this?
No, 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 no!
There's
Oh. Oh,
They're gone.
there's another one down
they're
there.
multiplying.
Nothing! No! I can't work like this! Go on! Go!
Oh, are you
Well,
sure?
Okay.
Oh, it smells
Yeah,
like
we're
cotton
good at this.
candy.
This can't work.
Where did the little one go? What the heck? It's getting.
Gonna take all your toes.
Scared.
No, we're using them right now. Nope, nope.
Totally.
Oh God.
I don't know the
Is
way
there a
out.
way to go? Oh no.
Oh,
They're right in this house.
oh.
Oh no.
We're
We're keeping our toes.
Okay.
We're keeping our toes.
Oh, there's two of them.
Oh my.
Oh my God. What?
Bunch of them.
I'm lost again.
What is happening? Oh God.
I don't trust neither one of you.
Nope.
No.
He's got us all.
Definitely not with that.
It's a CC.
Where do we
It's a
go?
CC.
Where is the exit? Oh, it's got your name, Little Bastard.
Oh.
That's its name. Okay.
Oh.
We don't need any little bastard. No. Little bastard. That's
I don't think I like little bastard.
Yeah. I don't know if I like that either.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
No, geez. We're not gonna play chicken with this one. That is totally for somebody else. We're gonna go see the doctor.
Where do we go from here?
I don't know.
Oh, she's locking us in.
Oh my God, I didn't know you were there.
See the good doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes!
We need,
Of course y'all are.
we need a fright fix.
What'd you say?
We need a fright fix. Think the doc can hook us
I
up?
like that.
Mm-hmm.
What's your name?
Nora.
Let me get a good look at you.
Ooh, with his good eye.
Nora, right? I think you're gonna go first, okay?
Okay.
Okay! Oh, I know we're all so excited, right?
Yeah, we're
Oh,
excited.
you know where the doctor is? Of course we do! Doctor, you ready? Yes! It's appointment time!
The
Yes!
bookshop is talking to us.
Why does it smell like vinegar in here? Oh no,
Oh,
this
it's
don't
dark.
have shocky walls, does it?
Dark.
I look so good, don't I?
He looks
Yeah.
real good. Yeah.
Ooh. Caw!
Oh,
Marco.
what the heck is that?
Oh yeah.
Where are you going?
I really don't know.
Would you like to go in there?
Nope. I'm.
He's
That's
dead.
supposed to. He didn't make it.
Aw.
He didn't make it.
Disassembled.
It's a symbol?
Disassembled.
Disassembled. Okay, yeah, you're right.
This one's a shower for one.
Door number 2.
Oh,
and
there's.
it's a dead end. Well,
hot.
the doctor's this way.
The doctor.
Okay,
yeah.
we definitely.
He's gotta take your eyes out.
Oh God!
keep our
Like kind of
eyes
like
right
he
now?
tried to yours.
Okay.
Where did you come from?
Just go.
Okay, it's just you. You don't bite, do you?
No, I wouldn't say that.
Okay, stay right here.
You're gonna follow the right one. Okay,
Oh,
go,
okay.
keep
Door.
going.
Okay.
Follow the
all
right
The
wall.
doc, wait, he doesn't like waiting.
There's a lot of weird tight spaces in here. Oh lordy. Oh no.
Fine.
Oh, is that the
Welcome,
doctor?
my children.
Hi.
Please, come in.
Okay.
I think I'll start with you because you're last.
He's
Maybe.
tall. He's got lots of skin.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
Are we afraid?
Nope.
I think you're lying.
No.
That's okay. You all taste much better when you're afraid.
I've heard that taints the flavor a little bit, though.
Well,
such lovely skin.
That's debatable.
I can't wait to try it out.
That's not the word I'd use. Nope, nope.
What's the rush?
I'm using my skin right now.
There's
It's
no
like
rush.
you know.
We know that our time is coming if we stay in here with you.
Your time.
Yeah. Oh. Thanks, doctor. Oh, look at those. Those are cool. Chucky's missing his hair. That's very creepy. What the hell? I don't.
Hey! You guys want to play with me?
I guess.
You do?
Do we live?
That's a trick question. Just trying to get me. Play with me? Like, what do you want?
Yeah.
What are we gonna play?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek sounds great. That's the best I heard all day.
Oh yeah.
So,
I can't.
You guys will go hide.
We'll go hide.
I'll seek you.
We'll go hide.
I'll seek you.
Is this the door?
Nope.
It's not?
I don't know.
It's a door.
It's a door.
You're stuck in here with me!
We're stuck in here. Oh no.
Wait,
Oh god.
so I don't think he's on board.
He may not want to play the game.
No,
Oh.
we all have to play. But he's a bad man.
Oh, he's the bad man.
Oh. We don't want to cry. That might wake you up. She's crying.
She's gonna get us
Not
all
working.
killed.
Does it open the door?
But really, you guys probably should get out of here because it's bad people that way and everywhere.
All the ways?
I don't know how to
You
get out.
step on the thing and then go?
Do we go that way?
Run! Get out of here!
Oh no.
Oh.
This is gonna make us
God.
go that way.
We gotta get close to that?
Yeah! Bad!
He's dead. He's dead. Here we go. Oh god.
Oh, what in the world? Oh my. That is some cool stuff on the walls there.
Oh god.
Oh crap,
It's
I did
alive.
not know that
It's
was
alive.
real.
Nope.
Please don't hide, please! You hide cookies with me?
Say what?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
You're not.
No. Hold on.
Because
Well,
you're yelling.
Because you're yelling. No offense. Oh. Don't know. Try the knob. Both ways. Oh my. Oh, it opens on its own.
Uh-huh. Oh, there's a lot of 13s in
Oh
here.
no.
Who's on the other side of that door?
There's a lot of
Oh
them.
God, you're not wrong.
Which one do we pick? Try door number 13.
Not that one.
Oh god. Oh god.
There's a skeleton in here.
Skeletons
Oh,
in the
there's skeletons
closet.
in the closet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I
We're gonna
trust
try
this
it.
one.
Have fun!
We'll try.
I'm gonna trust it. Something's. Oh God.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh my. Oh my. Yep, we're going this way.
Something smells.
Going this way. We
Welcome
got
to
something.
my room. Welcome. Y'all like my
To your
room?
room.
It's
It's a morgue.
Anyways, y'all like my room?
It's a
yes.
morgue.
Are y'all
This
here
is.
to pick up Mona Lisa or Queen Elizabeth? Which one?
Do you have Steve Irwin?
No, he
That's
just
a
got
good one.
recently sold at auction.
Oh, okay. All right. Well,
Anyways, find the exit.
find the exit.
Find the exit.
It involves a
Oh, is that the one? A fire? We have to go through the crematorium?
I ain't going in there.
The incinerator? Do we really have to go in the incinerator?
Yeah.
He said yeah. Yeah. Through the incinerator.
No.
I'm joking.
I'm too fat for that.
But don't say Sparky. If you do, run.
There's Sparky.
There's Bernie.
Hi, Sparky.
No fun. How about
Oh,
that?
Jesus Christ.
God.
Yep, that's a lot of sparks.
Hey!
Jesus.
You're gonna get hurt.
That is wild. Holy cow, there's corn in here. How did we end up in the corn? Effing lost in the corn maze. Woo!
Oh god.
Oh, there's things hanging down.
Anyway, fishing floor.
What? Okay. Oh, he's right behind Jacob.
Come on.
Woo!